All right, the drink we're about to make is called Around the World. Go ahead and fill up your mixing glass with ice. And we'll measure out 1.5 ounces of gin. And we'll follow that up with 1.5 ounces of green creme de menthe. Give us a very bright green. And we'll just top that off with pineapple juice. All right, get your shaker. Just pour it back and forth a couple of times. Just enough to get everything mixed together. And take your glass, pour it in. Got a strong minty smell to it, and obviously a very cool green color. Add a straw, and you can garnish that with a cherry. And that'll accent the color very well. That is Around the World. Bottoms up.